I made 70,000 naira last week doing nothing. Now you might be asking, is it possible to make money doing nothing? Well, the answer is yes. Now, 2 weeks ago, I would have asked some question, but experience taught me that this is absolutely possible. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did to get this result, so you too can replicate it and get the same result for yourself. This is by far the easiest and sweetest way of making money. The best part is you don't need any skill, you don't need any experience, you don't need certification to do this, and anybody can do this. So whether you're a stay-at-home mom, you are a student, or even as a teenager, you can make money using this strategy. It's actually something smart people out there are using to earn a lot of money. Now, if you know anything called drop servicing, you understand what I'm saying. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did. I'm not going to hold back anything, and that's because I want you to start making money too. So I will show you how I was able to get my client to pay me 70K without doing anything. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you 5 steps you need to follow as a newbie to get this kind of result for yourself. You know I'm rooting for you, so you should not stop rooting for yourself too. What's up, family? Welcome or welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for tuning in. If this is your first time being here, my name is Chamaka. On this channel, we talk all things money and how to start and grow a successful YouTube channel. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified each time I publish new videos. If you're a returning viewer, thank you for stopping by. Let's dive in. So if you know anything called drop servicing, you understand what I'm saying. Now, for example, a business person needs a logo. They do not know a logo designer. And there's a logo designer out there who needs a customer. Now, you know the business person and you also know the logo designer. You just step in and connect these two people and take the larger cut. It's amazing how much people are making with this. It's by far the laziest way of making money. I'm sharing this with you so you learn from it and see how you can make money using the knowledge. So last week, a client reached out to me that they needed a website. Now, this is somebody I've worked with before, and I was super busy that I couldn't do that. Now, I had to discuss with him the exact thing he wanted, the kind of website he wanted, whether it's a simple website or an e-commerce website, what they would want to do with the website. Maybe they want to collect payment online or not. So I explained all the packages and then I gave him time to think through it. As soon as I got off the call, I reached out to a web designer and I discussed with him how much I would pay him to design a website for me. And I asked him to send me a price list of different website packages he has. When I got off the call with the service provider, the website designer, I called my client. Now, because he didn't know much about website packages, I had to help him pick the right package for his business. Then we agreed on the price. I told him the price and I doubled the price. My client agreed. Then I told him what we needed to design the website. And he made 50% deposit. Now, guys, the 50% deposit has taken care of the bills. In 3 days, the website was ready. So I was able to generate this money. Just took me a few calls, spoke with my client, spoke with the service provider, and everything was done. Chances are you don't have any client, you've not done any work for anybody. So people won't reach out to you the way they reached out to me. But I'm going to share with you 5 powerful tips that will help you get started on this. Now you see that this is one of the simplest way to make money because you don't need any skill, you don't need any work experience to do this. As a newbie, you don't have clients who will reach out to you the way they did in this case. So here are 5 powerful steps you need to take to get started on this. First, find out people in your area who need particular services. All businesses need one thing or the other, and they will gladly pay you if you can come up with a clear picture of how a particular service is going to help their businesses grow, help them make more sales. Make sure to explain how beneficial this service is going to be to their business. Now, it could be a logo design, it could be website design, it could even be to design a branded t-shirt. Step 2, connect with service providers. So the next thing would be to reach out to people who provide these services and discuss with them and ask them to give you a special price. Here's the thing, you are helping them to make sales because they need to make sales to be in business. So you are not actually asking them for help. You are the one helping them. So you need to ask them for a special discount if you get such services to them. Step 3, get their price list. Let them tell you different packages they have and different prices they will charge you for those packages. This is going to help you understand how much it will cost you and then also decide how much you are going to charge these businesses when you reach out to them. Remember, you should charge your worth. Now, if you are able to explain the benefit of this service to the business, there is no how you will not close the deal. Now, while charging these businesses, charge your worth. People make as high as 70% profit from such drop servicing. Yes, those businesses do not know the exact amount of money these services cost. So package it very well. You can make as much as you want. Step 4, you need to have a basic knowledge of the service you are about to render to these businesses. This will help you speak like a professional when you are discussing with them. This knowledge will also help you to be able to provide answers to questions they may have for you. So if, for example, you want to provide a branded t-shirt service for them, you should know the types of t-shirts. You should also talk about maybe the round neck, the v-neck and all that. Know different qualities of t-shirt, talk about the printing, and even talk about color combination. These are the different things you need to know. So when you're discussing with them, they get to know that they are talking with professional. The 5th step would be to agree on a project delivery date. Now, this is very important. You will need to speak with the service provider to know when the service will be ready. And then you might decide to add 3 or 4 days to it. Now, this is to make sure that the project is ready on the date you told your client. You know how service providers can behave sometimes, and you don't want to disappoint your client. It's better to deliver before the due date than to deliver after the project deadline. If you're able to deliver before the due date, the client will appreciate you and even recommend you or refer you to other businesses that will need your services. There are so many services you can render to businesses out there, and they're already waiting for you with their money. You just need to go out there, reach out to them, see what they need, and connect with people who are going to provide these services. You don't need to have any skill or work experience to do this. Just learn how to package yourself and even start presenting yourself as a brand. This way, you can take on more tasks. And if you're able to deliver on your promise, you'll find out that these businesses are going to reach out to you anytime they need more services. Even the one they are convinced you don't render, they would seek your advice. And this way, you grab all of them and build your portfolio doing that. This is how actually brands are built online today. So I know this young man who provides a graphic design service, but his clients kept asking him of more and more services that are outside what he does. He got so smart that he decided to include those things on his website, that he does all of this like a complete business package. He provides all the services a business person needs. Now, this is how he was able to expand, and today he does even website design and a whole lot of other services. So maybe you charge like 10,000 naira and you're able to get somebody to do the work for 2,000 naira. You keep the 8,000 to yourself. So one quick advice I have for you is, while you are doing this, build relationship with your clients. When you do this, they will always come back to you to ask you for more services, or anytime they need help, they will always reach out to you to seek your opinion. This way, you'll be able to render even more services. Right now, I'm experimenting this online, like rendering this service online. I can tell you that it's massive. So if you want to learn how you can do this online too, how you can get customers to, pay you to render services, and you get people to do that, and you take the larger cut, drop a comment in the comment section. Tell me, teach me online drop servicing. And if I get a lot of requests, I'm going to make a video on how you can get this done, including designing a free website where you are going to market your services as a brand and get people to pay you to render these services. I hope you got value from this. Share this with your family and friends, and remember to give this video a thumbs up.